Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the screen on your Asus VivoBook requires some essential tools and a careful approach. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You will also need a new screen replacement compatible with your Asus VivoBook model. Begin by shutting down your laptop and unplugging all peripherals. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this will help avoid any accidental power on during the process. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of your laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step, as applying too much force can damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the screen connector. Now, locate the screen assembly. It is usually secured by a few screws around the bezel. Carefully unscrew these with your Phillips screwdriver. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a little patience is key. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing this repair, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you through any issues. With the screws removed, gently lift the screen from its position. Be cautious of the cables connected to the screen, you will need to disconnect these carefully. Use your tweezers to delicately unplug the screen connector from the motherboard. If you find any dust or debris inside the laptop during this process, take a moment to clean it out, as this helps maintain optimal performance. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Connect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring that it clicks into place securely. Once connected, replace the screws that hold the screen assembly in position. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. At this stage, before reattaching the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Connect your laptop to power and turn it on. If the screen lights up and displays correctly, you're on the right track. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once you confirm the new screen is functioning, power off the laptop again. Replace the back panel by aligning it properly, then secure it with the screws you kept earlier. Finally, reconnect the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop once more to ensure everything is working seamlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus VivoBook. If you encounter any problems or have questions, feel free to reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.